Hi Grace family. कशा आहे सगळी सगळी बरे आहे नो. आज आम्ही जाबा लागता येत आहे. ओके आज डिनर आहे आम्ही. ओके सिंपल डिनर आज आमगेलो. ओके मुखार माय दाखवत तुमका. ओके चल सी यू.
Say hi.
अनु मामा सरप्राइज लाइक जातो लगो आमगेलो.
Oi.
हा
Oi.
ते सरप्राइज देन चोया ते. ओके याचो आता पावले आम्ही. ओके रेस्टॉरंट पावले आता वेनिश वयता आता एक थोडं सरप्राइज केलं. एक आज डिनर दोला डोमा भितर. याचे वयता आता भितर. ओपन रे.
Wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Vanisha.
Thank you.
सो ॲशलीन म्हाका व्हडलो सरप्रायज दिला. एक्चुली ताणें म्हाका सांगलेलें उली डिनरा वतो म्हूण तुका लायक बेश्टें जेवणा अशें. सो बर्थडे सरप्रायज तो म्हूण सांगना म्हाका आनी हो बरो सरप्रायज दिल म्हाका. थँक्यू ॲशली. आय लव यू. सनायरा सरप्रायज खबर आलो धाडलो
ना
बेश्टा म्हणा का
ना
तुही सरप्राईज झाले चोईल.
होय.
अलिया मॅडम तुका सरप्राईज सांगलेलो. हा हांव ते बिझी हा.
म्हाका खबर आसला म्हटल्यार आतां मग बट डोमा भिजो म्हाका सरप्रायज जालें.
बरें आसा न्हू रे.
Hello.
So here our bartender creates some unique drink for you. And for you.
And there is a mocktail. The name of this mocktail is Surprise Me. So in this we are using fresh grapefruit juice, rose syrup, rosemary, elderflower, lime juice, and top of the tonic water. So
Yeah.
So the reason behind this name is Ashley told me, Roshan, I want to surprise you. You know. So we have created a surprise drink.
cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Say bye.
Taste good. Yeah.
Cheers.
It's a mussels. Yeah, tandoori prawns.
Are you doing?
It's a good amul.
It's a lobster. Your favorite.
shrimp with beetroot rice. Baby, give me. Give me. What is that? What is that?
Chips.
Give me. Making. Dada, give. Thank you.
Are you gonna give me fries? Nice. Thank you. Fried
Say.
rice, egg.
Anaira hata egg
Egg
fried
fried
rice. Ani Aliyah bhi. Aliyah,
Ada.
Dada coming. Tell me how's fried rice? Good?
Taste Korean fried rice. Goro hamse. Good. It's a mama beetroot rice hata with prawns.
Rowa तसं सो आता टेस्ट करतोय आम्ही बीटरूट राईस विथ प्रॉन्स यमी
What's आमचा भाऊ शेफ नेल्सन from Goa, all the way from Lume. Daddy can आज special जेवणाचं आहे आमका. Chef is not from Lume, huh? Chef is from Verna. What are you eating? Are you? What are you eating?
शो
Show what you are eating.
अनायरा तू चॅलेंज ओके किती काढल्या तुका तू व्हेजिटेबल आहे ना रे असले सॅलड सो तुका सेम ओके ए हाल चला गोटो मागा तू मग लाभ कोत मो ओके कोणाचे हे गेल्या शेवटाक गुड गुड
Clap कर.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Let's go. Here's the cake.
काय दोन take it again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait. To you. Happy birthday to you. Candle blow नहीं किया रे. Candle blow करना. Okay. Thank you.
Baba. Strawberry. Yeah. Cake. No. Okay. And here, Anaira and Aliyah went to explore the kitchen. Anaira was mesmerized to see such a big kitchen, and now she knows from where the food comes every time she visits a hotel or a restaurant. She really loved this experience. Say bye to everyone. Bye. Thank you. Thanks, Roshan. Thanks. Bye. So birthday सारखी एन्जॉय केली आयज. सरप्राईज दिल म्हाका ॲशलीन. That's a hotel. Hi. Yeah.
My mother says she keeps on dancing a lot.
Yeah.
That's right.
She loves dancing.
Keep it up. By the time you grow, you become a celeb. Trust me. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Thank you. Hi. Hi. Say hi.
फ्रेंड्स आता आमचे बाहेर येयलाय. सो हिंगा स्विमींग पूल बी आहा. बट हांव स्विमींग पूलान नावपास नाही. इट्स सारको व्यू बी बेस्ट आहा हिंगा. व्यू बी बेस्ट आहा. Hi everyone, today is a very special day for me and my sister, as it is my mama's happy birthday. For this very special day, let us sing a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear mama. Happy birthday to you. Mama, I hope you enjoy this day and may God bless you with love, joy and happiness. We love you. Then. Mama, I card. I am here.
Yeah, Huggy.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, कशें आहाय सगळीं? अच्छा आज वेनिशाची बर्थडे आनी हांव ताका आज कितें गिफ्ट घेवपा येयला, शॉपिंग करपा येयला. ओके, मागीर चोया ताका लायक जातलो चोया म्हजें सरप्रायज. हाय फ्रेंड्स, अच्छा आतां केक घेयला आनी गिफ्ट घेयला आनी आतां वयता रावता ही म्हाका जेवपाक. अशें उबो जाल म्हाका. ओके, मेळट मागीर तुमकां एक पाट घराको पावल मुटरी. ओके, चोया वेनिशा केसला घालता मुगे गिफ्ट. ओके, सी यू. हॅलो ये मुगे गिफ्ट. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear mama. Happy birthday to you.
Clap ko na ikaw.
हे आहे झूप आहे सगळं. हे आहे पुलाव आणि सुंगटा, प्रॉन्स फ्राय आणि व्हेजिटेबल पुलाव.
So friends, I hope you liked our vlog. If so, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in our next vlog. Until then, Moga soon.